Hi, welcome to our math. Today in this video, we will be talking about inequalities and putting together some simple inequality statements from story problems or application problems. In this first one, during a trading day, the price P of a stock is no less than $7.25 and no more than $7.75. So here we are just putting together a three-part instead of a two-part inequality statement. So we have $7.25 is less than or equal to P is less than or equal to $7.75. It's important to use whatever variable you are told to use. All right, the next one is a little more interesting. I always tell my students when I'm in class, whenever a teacher says the word interesting, be very wary. That is a keyword to more work, more thinking. So just be very careful of that word. The revenue from selling X units of a product is R equals 115.95X. The cost of producing X units is C equals 95X plus $750. To obtain a profit, the revenue must be greater than the cost. For what values of X does this product return a profit? All right, so what is really being asked is that the revenue is greater than the cost. So we want 115.95X to be greater than 95X plus 750. So if we subtract 95X from both sides, and I like to do this kind of in an old-fashioned way, bringing our inequality down so we don't turn our inequality into an equality or flip it. I just like to be really organized in these. We end up with 20.95X is greater than 750. I'm going to divide both sides by 20.95. Note that because this is a positive, my inequality is going to stay exactly as is. When I divide, I'm going to get X is greater than 35.8. I can't sell part of a product, so I'm going to round this up, and I'm going to say 36 or more units will earn a profit. I want to note for the record that if my answer, this is my little thought bubble, if my answer had been 35.1, I still would have rounded it up to 36. Because if I had rounded that down to 35, as we normally do in math, I would not have earned a profit. My revenue would not have been greater than my cost. If I put 35 into this with a 35.1, costs would still win. This would still need to be rounded up to 36. So when you are talking about revenue being greater than cost, we have a ceiling we need to get over. So you always round up. This doesn't go by your basic rounding rules. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Like and follow, and I'll see you on the next video.